Let's demystify working twisted stitch cables, also known as Bavarian stitch cables. So in a right purl twist, what we're going to do is the right needle tip is going to come to the front of the needle, or front of the work, and we're going to grab the front loop of this second stitch. Then we're going to move the 2 loops towards the tip, and then using my finger here, I'm going to push and pinch this first loop. It's going to be a free loop in a minute. I'm going to push it and pinch it against this needle. So now that I've got it pinched, I pull the left needle tip out of both, and then I can grab the left needle tip and put it through that free stitch. Then the right needle tip sweeps around and we place that stitch back on the left needle tip. And now that we've done that, we can work them. So we'll work through the back loop. So we knit through the back loop and then we purl 1. And you can see it's leaning right. Let's do that again. To go to the right, this stitch is going to have to come to the front. So I'm going to put my right needle tip through the second stitch in the front of the work. Then I'm going to pinch these stitches against the right hand needle with my finger, pull the left needle tip out, put my left needle tip back in through that free dangling loop, and then I'm going to put this one back on the needle. And what's amazing is right now I'm already in place. If I just grab that yarn and pull it through, I'm in place to knit through the back loop. You see what I'm saying? If I'm working this through the regular loop, I'd have to come around and go this way, but through the back loop, when I put this on, so we knit 1 through the back loop, we purl 1, and that moved that stitch to the right. Check out the other 3 videos I have about the other common types of twisted stitch cables. I hope this helped. You can learn more about me and my patterns at imaginelandscapes.com.